Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to another ALDI grocery haul. Alright, let's start on this side. I bought some frozen blueberries, strawberries and a berry medley, mostly to make lemonade, but maybe also to make a cobbler or maybe blueberry cupcakes. Let's see about that. I also found the cinnamon donut sticks with icing. I have 2 cans of these. I think it was a seasonal thing or an Aldi find, not sure about that. 1 can of jumbo buttermilk biscuits and jumbo flaky biscuits. 2 things of eggs. 2 things of cold smoked Atlantic salmon. 1 thing of applewood smoked bacon. Turkey bacon. I never had this before, so I don't know if it's good. If you tried it, let me know in the comments. Then I have this Burson garlic and fine herbs cream cheese. I think we had it before, but not sure about that at the moment. Anyway, creamy Swiss garlic and herb cheese. 2 things of the provolone cheese. The pineapple juice and the apple juice are really good. And here I have some mesquite smoked turkey breast. 2 things of those. 1 thing of the oven roasted turkey breast. I also found this Italian style pork sausage. Never tried this before, so pretty excited for this one. Some European chocolate truffles, double chocolate crisp, French butter cookies, 2 things of the milk chocolate butter cookies, they're really good, and chocolate dominoes, 4 things of tuna, some garlic stuffed olives. I bought 2 things of these herb cheese stuffed peppers and I will let you know if we like them or not. And I'm so happy that I found this pumpkin casserole dish. I was in the store the other day and they didn't have it then, but today I was lucky. And I also found the mini pumpkin casserole dishes. Alright, let's go outside and I'll show you what I also found. I also bought doormats. I thought this one with the red truck was really cute. And I have this one. Also really pretty. Oh yeah, and I totally forgot, we also bought the smelting snowman. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope I see you next time. Bye!